In 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the red line, Friarbots going up reloaded note. And from their line starters, prize, bounce out of the speaker. Put back on blue, get a couple of those four, SuperNURDs, clean up the line, getting those plays as well. And come out from blue, start off on it, start Kelly up, and SuperNURDs looking to add to that. They get one of those plays in blue again, while the Robotics kind of one for red, and minor one, and four red speaker. But speaking of, blue line is prepared to amplify. However, they have no robots and no notes on the other side of the field yet. And it is SuperNURDs first to back some. They fire the speaker, they get one amplified note score. However, they have to bring it all the way across the course and try to make it back and score before that amplification runs out. And as you can see, they basically roll infinite defense from 498 to a 20 back. With the note control passing it along with the line partners, 70-42 and the Robotics. Both going in the amplifier speaker, and as that runs out, criminal sites to the amp. And the blue line with a 12-point lead. To add to it, they're now amplified. SuperNURDs running back from their core window on board, but as that is run out, they take instead over to their blue amp. And meanwhile, at midfield, you can see heavy defensive team trying to swing the field down. There's in that course. And just like that, we see 498 running into the Vikings. We're holding that to get on their way. 498 tossing that note along to the Robotics and Poly Robotics. 4 back on the right side. And we'll hang on to that lead. But the match is not over yet as we enter endgame. Blue line close to that 21 note circle, but not there yet. They might be racing back, see if they can get anything more forward. Well, meanwhile, on red, Friarbots up in the air and on stage at 399, making their way off of the ground as well.